Assalamu alaikum, grade 7. Your next topic is transporting food. Transporting means to carry things from one place to another place. So transporting food from one place to another place in the plant. Sugar is made in leaves by photosynthesis. As we know that sugar is made in the leaves in the process of photosynthesis. It mixes with water to take strong solution, that is sugar solution, which is transported in the phloem tubes that is present into the stem. Here the internal structure of phloem tube. From there it may go up to the ground shoots and down to the roots. Students, the speed and the direction of the movement of the sugar solution depends upon how much this plant needs and when it needs this sugar solution for the energy. But in spring there are difference of season. In spring, when most shoots are growing, so plants need more energy, so they take more sugar solution goes into the growing shoots. But in autumn, when lots of sugar is stored, so it goes up to the fruits and seeds to down and also to the roots. In this paragraph, in this figure, you can see that a plant roots and performing different functions. First, root is used to provide energy to the growing shoots, as we know that. So they store fruit sugar because they have to become sweet, and sugar stored in the roots as a starch. Now this sugar moves up and down into the stem through phloem tubes, and root need this sugar to give them enter into the for their growth. Students, please see this phloem cell. These are the phloem tubes and living phloem cell. Sugar solution goes in both directions at the same time, upward and downward, and there are holes through which sugar solution moves through these holes to the other parts of the plant, and this sugar solution moves in this phloem tubes because these phloem tubes are joined end to end. Dear students, the next topic on page number 21. How sugar flows through a plant. This is the whole structure of the transport of sugar solution into the plant. So first step is, you can see that cells in growing shoots use energy, sugar, and respiration. Respiration is the energy making process in the plant. Second, leaves make sugar by the photosynthesis. As we know that in the leaves sugar solution is prepared by the photosynthesis in the presence of sunlight. This sugar mixed with water to make the sugar solution, and this is the upper skin of the leaf from where sugar solution moves down, and this is the lower from where sugar solution moves up. And these are the chloroplasts. Sugar solution moves from cell to cell. You can see that sugar solution moves from cell to cell along the phloem tube, and sugar goes into the roots and used in the respiration. So these are the stomatas from where gaseous exchange happens and the phloem in the stem is present. Cells in roots use sugar in respiration and stored as a starch. Dear students, look at that. Phloem tubes are underneath the bark of a tree. Sticky sap of sugar solution. This is the sticky sap of sugar solution that is present underneath the bark of the tree. This greeny fly is feeding also on the sugar solution that is present in the stem. And you can know that, did you know, here sugarcane is thick, tall grass that grows in tropical and subtropical regions, and around 15% of the weight of sugarcane plant is stored sugar. Around 15% of the weight is stored as a sugar solution. Students, test yourself questions on page number 21, and the answers are: first question, why do growing shoots need sugar for energy? Second question, why do fruits taste sweet? Answer, because fruits stored sugar. Third question, why are there holes in the end of the phloem tubes? Because holes let sugar solution through them in upward and downward direction. Dear students, fourth question, explain why the speed and the direction of the movement of sugar solution depends upon how much is needed by the plant and when. Fifth question, what happened to the movement of the sugar solution? Sugar solution moves towards the ground tissue in the roots and bulbs. Students, sixth question. In spring, sugar solution rises quickly up through the phloem in the plant stem. Give a reason for this. And the reason is that in spring, when shoots are growing, they need more energy. So most of the sugar solution goes to the growing shoots. Dear students, only one blank is present on this topic. Dash is made in the leaves by photosynthesis sugar.